Anong disobedience doon? Anong disobedience doon? Hinijak nga nila yung biktima, yung pasyente. Hinijak nga nila, dapat nga si Atty. Lopez ang magsampa ng kaso. They were practically crying for help. And apparently, in the statement of Atty. Lopez or Vice President Inday, for 3 hours, unmindful yung mga pulis na nandoon. They failed to render assistance to one who is seeking immediate medical help. Life and death situation si Atty. Lopez, hindi nila pinansin. Sila ang dapat kasuhan. Huwag silang pa-victim. And yung isa?
Disbarment case na final ni Atty. Gadon.
Huwag natin pansinin yun. Mahirap naman nagpa-file ng kasong disbarment yung isang abogadong disbarred. Kaya mo na yun. Kaya mo na yun. Non-entity yun. Kayang harapin ni Vice President Inday yan.
Thank you.